Hi, this video is about creating a reminder. Reminders are used to remind you of a specific agent to perform an action of some specific information at a determined date and time. So a reminder can only be created from within a lead's profile. Reminders are always attached to a specific lead. So let's say that you take Lauren and she asks you, could you please call me today or maybe tomorrow at a certain time? So the reminder actually will go directly to your email. It will directly to your text. And if you wanted to do a reminder, just add what the description is to make a phone call, to send an email, or other. Now the key here is that you need to select the date. Let's say that she asks you to give you a call tomorrow, Saturday, at somewhere after 5 o'clock. So you're just going to put a reminder here of, I don't know, maybe 6 o'clock, and then it will send you a text, an email to call you or to send an email or whatever activity is at that particular time. Now, if it's a just regular reminder for any time during the day, you can always click here anytime and never, and it will be in your actually launchpad that we will talk in a minute. Okay, so if you click here and you put never, actually is going to send you a reminder during the day. But if you want in a specific time, you select the time, the date, and on time, and then save the activity. So in the mornings or afternoons, whenever you want to go and check with this person, she already has a reminder for me to call a certain time, certain day. Okay, so that's pretty much about the reminders.